gotta say it. You can get a taste.
Okay everyone, so I'm at Five Below and they got a couple things. So I figured that I will vlog like the Christmas gifts that I'll give to my family. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and click that post notification bell. So I'm gonna show you a couple of things that they have. So yeah. So starting off, they have like a whole bunch of beauty stuff. I'll try to turn the camera around to show you guys clips of them, but they have tons of stuff in Five Below. Like, starting off for $5, they have like, what is this called? Like beauty holders, like for your brushes, for $5. They have different kinds. A whole bunch of beauty holders, containers. They have travel size sections for hygiene. But I'll show you guys maybe a couple of gifts that I'm gonna get. I'm not quite sure on what I'm gonna get, but stay tuned. Up in the makeup section, they kind of have a couple of palettes here. What is this, mascara? Oh man, you can't miss this. What is this? Hold on now. Oh, okay. It says lip oil. Okay, looks interesting. Some beauty brushes. I'm not sure if one of them is like $5 each because they don't have like a full collection. So I'm assuming each brush is like $5 each. And then they got eyelashes here, nails, fragrance aisles over here. They got rainbow. They got Paris. They got a whole bunch of stuff, guys. A whole bunch of fragrances. They got knockoffs. Just crazy. They got nail polishes. Ooh, this is kind of cute, guys. Nail polishes for $5. Oh man, that's $5 each though. Wow. This is hella cute though. Wow. Wow, guys. You guys need to shop at Five Below. We got a whole bunch of nail polishes. I think I'm gonna get some, no cap. Like, look at that. Look at all of that stuff, guys. They have skincare products here. They have lip liners, matte lipsticks, more nail polishes down at the side here. Everything is in the way. But yeah, they got the makeup palettes here. Oh, I kind of think this is cute, guys. Should I try these out? Like, I hope these things are really good. Socks over here, character socks. Anything you could actually possibly find. More beauty blenders. Like, wow, this is amazing. Wow, I'm gonna try to make this vlog a little long. Yeah, some nails for little girls. So if you have like a little cousin or something, you can get them some nails, which is pretty cool. They have more, like, what is it, liners and eyebrow brushes. But it's not really a lot of liquid lipsticks down at the bottom because it looks like everyone's been shopping for them. They have Wet n Wild, which is, I'm thinking to probably try. Here now, they have a couple of things like bath bombs here, nail polishes, some more, OMG. I feel like I might get a couple of these, no lie. But seriously, you guys, Five Below, it looks like it's gonna be my go-to every day. For real. I mean, what can you beat for $4 and $5? Like, they got more skincare stuff over here. Like little kid items here. Bath bombs. Yeah. And then some more containers over here. Oh my gosh, they have a mirror. Oh, this is so cute. My sister's gonna like this. This is really cute. And they got some more on the bottom here too. The manicure sets. Wow. Wow. Skincare stuff that you can use on your faces over here, like the mask. They have makeup wipes. This is amazing. Couple jewelry here for $5. Like, what is this? Like a watch over here. You guys can see me? Can you see me? Hey guys. But yeah, they have a whole bunch of accessories over here, which is kind of cute. Like, this is probably something I'll buy. Hair clips. More hair clips in here, which is pretty cool. Earrings. They have dog leashes, keychains for the dogs, which is pretty cool. Some more keychains over here, guys, which is pretty cool. Really cute turtles. Wow. They even have those cute aesthetic like water bottles. This is so cute for the packaging. Yeah, extremely cute. Wow. This is so cute. Oh, look at these. Oh my gosh. Wow, wow, wow. More keychains over here. This is kind of cute. It's a Care Bear. Wow. Wow. Oh, they have these to work out. Oh, these are heavier. Oh, heavier than I thought. Wow. This is crazy. And they have workout mats. Wow. And then they got that. What is this? A ball? Wow. For $5. You can't beat that. More mass hygiene stuff over here. They look like, what is this? This looks like it's a scrub. Ooh. I hope it smells good though. But wow. And then a whole bunch of like skincare rollies. Yeah. I've been meaning to go to Five Below for a minute now. So now that I'm finally here, it's like, it's pretty cool. Phone cases here, which is pretty cool. Wow. This is the electronic aisle. Look at these aesthetic chargers and phone cases. Like, look at these. These are pretty cool. AirPod cases. Ooh, these are so cute. Wow. Over here. And what is this? Phone stands over here. So cute, guys. These are really cute over here. Wow. Wow, I love these over here. Wow. So guys, I actually was in Five Below for like maybe 5-6 hours trying to figure out like what I want to buy for my family or whatever, but I don't know if I'm gonna make the outro like now, or maybe I should make it now, I'm not sure, but if I don't make it later, this will be the outro. But I'm thinking that I should wrap the gifts. I don't know if I'm gonna do it tonight or the day of Christmas Eve, I'm not sure, but I'm kind of elaborating on what I should do. But yeah, if I don't end up showing a video of me wrapping the gifts, then this will be my outro. But yeah, thank you for commenting and subscribing, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. So yeah guys, happy holidays. Yeah.
Gotta say, Sasha.